In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change billing information in Cloudways. If you've recently changed your card, updated your company address, or want to switch your payment method to PayPal, Cloudways now handles all of that from one centralized billing area. That's important because keeping your billing details current helps you avoid failed payments, invoice issues, and any interruption to your services. To get started, sign into your Cloudways account from the main platform login page using your admin account. Once you're inside the dashboard, head to the top right corner and click on your profile avatar. This opens the account menu where you'll see the billing option. Go ahead and select that to enter the billing section. When the page loads, you'll land on the billing overview area. This page usually shows recent statements and other account-related charges. From here, look just below the main header for the secondary navigation tabs, then click on Settings. This is the section where Cloudways keeps your billing address, payment options, and related financial preferences together in one place. If you need to update your invoicing address, find the billing address section first. Click Edit Details, then carefully go through each field and update the information as needed. This may include your company name, street address, city, state, or region, postal code, and country. It's a good idea to make sure these details match the records associated with your bank or payment provider, since mismatched billing information can sometimes cause payment verification problems. Once everything looks correct, click Save Changes. Next, scroll down to the payment method section. This is where you can manage your current payment setup. If you only need to update an existing card, click the three-dot menu beside that card, choose Edit, then enter the updated information such as the expiry date or other required card details. Save the changes once you're done. If instead you want to add a completely new payment method, click Add Payment Method. Cloudways will let you choose between adding a credit or debit card or linking a PayPal account. Follow the on-screen prompts, enter the required details carefully, and then click Proceed. Keep in mind that if you add a card, Cloudways may run a temporary pre-authorization check to confirm the card is valid. If you connect PayPal, the system may also trigger a small verification charge as part of the setup process. Before you leave the page, take a moment to review everything. Confirm that your billing address is correct, your preferred payment method appears properly, and there are no obvious errors in the information shown. Once that's done, your updated billing settings should be ready to go. That's all for this guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.